First, we open the clamp. Connect the palm to the IV port. Connect the power cable properly. Check the AC power indicator. Turn on the machine with long press the power button. Set the rate to 123.3 ml per hour. Long press select button. Enter the setting mode, press select until it shows BEEP. Now set the up-down arrow to adjust the sound volume, louder or lighter. If you confirm, press pause to quit. For calibration, we first pull the piston of the syringe around 5 mm over the 50 ml limit. Now we open the clamp, rotate 90 degrees. Then we pull out the clutch of the pusher. Now we put the syringe into the slot and put the clamp on it. Now we put the syringe into the pusher with the clutch. Now press the purge to let the syringe reach the 50 ml. Long press silence until it blinks. Now we choose the number referred to the syringe which needs to be calibrated. For example, we choose number 4 for this brand of syringe. So after calibration, the number 4 refers to this brand of syringe for this pump. Press start, it will calibration automatically. The light will blink and the syringe piston start. When it finishes, it will give alarm. When start injection, if anything blocks the tube, then the pressure will reach the set pressure limit. It will give occlusion alarm. If we want to cancel the alarm, press the pause. If the clamp not fixed properly, it will alarm. If the clutch not fixed properly, it will alarm. If any button not released when turn on the machine, it will give AER1 alarm. We can press pause and restart the machine to verify it. If every button is fine, it will be OK. When we want to clean the machine, first check the machine should be turned off. Take out the power cable. Take out the clamp. When cleaning the machine, be careful about this part. And this is the clutch, and the power socket, and the slot of the handle.